Today I'm going to show you how I maintain my natural curly hair so that it remains hydrated, smooth, shiny for a couple of hours with just simple products. So I'll take you through the steps. The first step begins with my scalp. I like to keep my scalp healthy and I'm going to be using the Mama Earth Pro Growth Hair Tonic, which has caffeine, red ginseng and milk protein. So after a good hair wash, when my hair is semi-wet, that means it's not too dry, it's not too wet in between, I apply the Pro Growth Hair Tonic all over my scalp. I coat my scalp with it and then give it a nice gentle massage for 5 minutes or so. I coat my whole scalp with it. It's just a extra nourishment for my scalp, which I kind of like. I'm still experimenting with this, so I'm not too sure how good it is, but I kind of like it. So after my scalp gets a good massage, I go on to the next step. For the next step, I need a white tooth comb and Pantene Pro V oil replacement, power of nourishing oils in a creamy form. Then I start sectioning my hair and I start combing my hair with the white tooth comb. And then I take a dollop of the Pantene Pro V oil replacement and I start going through my hair with my fingertips so that each strand is nicely coated. I do not apply this on my scalp, just on my hair. And after it's nicely coated, I go on to the next step, that is scrunching my hair. Now you can use a diffuser, but I haven't got a diffuser yet and I don't think I'll get it in the near future as long as I'm traveling. Once I stop traveling, maybe I'll get a diffuser. So I keep on scrunching it with my fingertips, maybe for another 10 to 15 minutes. I let my hair dry by itself, but if you wish, you can use a diffuser or you can use a blow dryer. And when my hair is semi-dry, I come back and scrunch again for another 5 to 10 minutes. It just holds the curls better. You can see through the procedure, the hair is always on the face, which I wouldn't prefer otherwise. So what I would suggest to you is after the procedure is done, please wash your face nicely so that there's no product on your face. I wouldn't personally want any product on my face. So yeah. So let's go on to the last step. The last step is just an option. If your hair gets a little frizzy on top, you can apply a serum or you can apply the Pantene oil replacement. Again, I take a dollop of it, warm it between my palms and just apply it on top. It tames the frizz a little bit, which is good. The effect of the Pantene oil replacement remains on for about 6 to 8 hours. So it remains nourished, it remains hydrated, moisturized, soft, bouncy and shiny for 6 to 8 hours. And after that I have to refresh it again. And I'll show you some other time how I refresh my curls. So this is my hair when it is completely dry. It's quite healthy looking, nourished, soft and really beautiful. I'm proud of my curls. So I hope you like this video. Bye bye.